Purposely, we are here to speak in one voice as NYARIBARI, and we want to put it very clear for the KISII County Governor to know, and the larger KISII residents to know, that we as NYARIBARI, we are solidly behind Honorable His Excellency Dr. Robert Onsare Monda. And you allow me, the people from further state, to explain this one in KISII, if it is possible for you to do that.
Go ahead. You can make a statement.
Yeah, before you work.
Okay. One, as my brother has stated, for the last 1 year and 3 months, since the incision of the second county government of KISII, which is led by His Excellency Paul Simba and our Deputy Governor, His Excellency Robert Monda, we have not seen anything in this county government for the last 13 months. And that is why the people of NYARIBARI and the larger KISII county are asking what is going on, what is the big problem. The county government is not moving, and that's why we are here. And I know that is the main problem between the governor and the deputy governor. When the deputy governor wants to ask what is happening, he is not given his space to explore what is happening in this county government, and he is not given the role of a deputy governor. And that is the main problem which is between the two. But unfortunately, people have entered inside through gossiping and the rest of the other things. That's what you saw. Our main people from NYARIBARI CHACHE, they were issuing a statement on Monday. And we are here countering them and telling them they are not NYARIBARIan, they were both. These are the right people from NYARIBARI. And you allow me now to write it in KISII now. Are you